Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Planner for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 3, create a new bucket. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this can be for works with a business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left hand side navigation menu, click on applications, go to all applications, scroll to the bottom of the screen to explore all the applications. Now go to Planner. Let's just wait for that to load. Click on the current plan, which is Computer Science Videos. We created a plan, created a task, and now we will create a new bucket. How do we do that? Let's just go to add a new bucket. Bucket name, let's change this to Computer Science Videos. Press enter, and then we can add a task like we did before. Videos, set the due date, let's just say the 30th, assign to the admin, add the task, and the task has now been added as part of the new bucket. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.